welcome back to Zola's Feast. This video is a little bit different to the other videos because this is a bit of a vlog over quite an amount of time. Let me tell you more. If you've ever wondered what goes into judging the Food and Home Awards, well, I'm about to give you a glimpse of what it takes. This year, for the second time, I am one of the judges for the Food and Home Awards, and these boxes are just some of the products that have been delivered. So let's unbox and get started. So I had to bring out my trestle table to store some of the stuff because there wasn't enough space, obviously, in my pantry and my dining room because I wanted to still have a functional house. But yeah, I just unpacked everything. It is a lot of food. I think people take for granted how many products there actually are. Everything's unpacked and in categories. Let me show you what my freezers look like. Freezer number 1 is packed to the rafters of frozen food, some desserts and breads there, ice creams. Then in my pantry freezer and fridge, okay, so fridge first, lots of drinks and yogurts and cheeses and cream cheeses. And in the freezer as well, full to the rafters, full of stuff in every single little space possible. Yeah, while I'm in my pantry, let me just stay here. It's going to take about a month and a half, 2 months to taste or to get through all of this. And yeah, when I remember, I'll bring you along for the ride, but it's going to be a long ride. So the system for me of tasting is very different. So for some of the products, I kind of use them as you would in your lifestyle. Some I all have my family over if they're ready meals and make a meal of it and judge it that way. Sometimes I categorize it and do just, a certain selection of drinks or a certain selection of foods, etc., and try to taste them all at once or at the same time for comparison. And then, things that need cooking. Obviously, I plan out a session where I'm going to taste, for example, here, the rubs and stuff. Here, my niece and nephew decided that they were going to, enjoy the olive tasting with me. My nephew doesn't eat olives, but my niece was very adventurous, and she decided to taste them with me. Hi, guys. So, well into tasting now, and today I'm tasting sort of seasonings and sauces and dips and stuff. We are more than a month in and got like a month left to go of tasting. So here's everything marinated, ready for tasting. I've made sure to label everything with each of the variants and what it is so that there is no confusion once they're all cooked. So yeah, today I'm doing a bit of tea tasting. So each product I kind of take on its own merit and do a tasting based on its use and what makes sense. I always taste with my laptop close by so I can write down the score straight away and make any comments. We're having a cheese tasting moment. Yep. Luckily, I love cheese. Hi guys, I am on the last, if I could open this, few tastings of my judging situation. It's about a week before I have to submit all the scores and all of my comments. So, yeah, it's been quite a journey, a lot of eating. I obviously couldn't show you every single time I ate or tasted something, but I did my best to document all of it. Shout out to my family who always came through to do tasting sessions with me. But yeah, it's been quite a journey. Keep an eye out on Food and Home's socials, and when they announce the overall scores and that they hand over like the badges for the best consumer products, etc. So if you ever wondered what it takes to be a judge for the Food and Home Awards, now you know. Cheers, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.